Hakane ke jing Rakhe Menteri Rangba ke jylla ukwanrat ke sangma kum ukongsan ula pelat ba ya ke drug free Meghalaya app ula IT ke drug detention kit shaki anti narcotics task force ANTF bat ula pen kuburam ye ke seng tremon sungbha ke riu shimet bat ke ANTF haro ke jing tre shitom ke jongki banyak kon persya ya udrok bat ula pelat ba ru ya ke jing ruai turn the tide ke bala ruai de ka kanhun khaki vibes. Hakane ke jia lang le don lang sembut Menteri Rangba ubak Prestun Tensong u DGP ke jylla u Dr. LR Bishnoi ke he officer sarkar ke he pulit ke kena school bat kibai. Habakran ha ke jia lang u kanrat sangma ulai ro ke pulit halo ke jing tre shitom ke jongki ban kemi ke nong de drug bat yo kurup ru yo drug u bala song do da ke klur tengka ba ula kentui ke pulit ba kinyai beteng ban tre shitom ban rat tengkong ya ke jing jellai u drug hapo ke jylla. Ulong kat bagi pulit kedang tre ya laka kamram kalong pat ke badon kam ban pentikna bagi saupo hajar sans pa angut ki samla ki basan ya tli haki drop kin yo ya ke jing sumar da ke jing e kana bakin wan pai biang sake emlang salang ukonrat ula kerenru hakabede bat ke dream project ke baka sarkar kalamang shipho klur tengka sisnem bat san pho klur tengka hakasan snem nakabanta ban penyak chakmat ya ke ni mission haka jylla bat ulong baka sarkar kan tairu ya ki rehabilitation center bat ki detoxification center bapher bat na jing rap ru ki kan huan traimon sungbha ki ba ajing sumar bat kne rikikti sakinong di drop haka jylla.
So our focus is basically on creating awareness among the masses so they can understand the ill effects of the drug abuse. So during last 15 days, all the district, battalion and organization, they have done good works. We fixed the target 1,000, but they have crossed the targets and totally 1,263 programs were conducted successfully and the people highly appreciated it. And I must compliment the role of media also. They have given lot of weightage to cover our programs, seizures and enforcement drives, etc. So that the people can understand the consequences of the drug abuse. You know that this problem is a very complex and complicated problem. So it may take some time to overcome it completely. But if all of us can work unitedly, including the citizens, youth, everyone, then I'm sure that we can tackle this problem nicely. The reduction, etc. So survey, the thorough assessment we have not conducted yet. So I can't say whether actually it has gone down or not. But I can only say that number of cases registration has gone up. Then seizure has shown upward trends. The number of arrests, number of seizure of vehicles, mobile phone, cash and everything has gone up. But we have not conducted a systematic study whether our seizure has put any positive impact as far as the reduction in the consumption is concerned. So that we have not conducted any survey yet. For that we will try to hire some specialized agency so that they can go into deeper survey and then study only can tell us how much impact it has made. Now we have not yet procured. So today I am sending my officers, team of traffic officers. They will go to the secretariat where the drone is already functioning and they will understand how we can use them for the monitoring of the traffic congestion point. So little bit training is required. So once they are through after training, so then we will start using it. First we will procure the drones as per our requirement. For that proposal is under consideration. So hopefully soon we will be able to.
And the numbers are there to show in itself on the kind of work that the police department has been doing, and I would like to congratulate every single officer of the police department from the bottom to the top for all their efforts that they've put in the last many years to ensure that proper enforcement was there in terms of action against drug traffickers. At the same time, we also saw a presentation from the Social Welfare Department, and we have today launched a program which we're calling DREAM, which is Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission. It's an acronym for the Action Against Drug Menace, and it's a detailed program. It's an 80-page document which has earmarked, or rather I should say the 5 years it is going to earmark 50 crores for different programs to be held at the state level, the district and block level, and how NGOs and other organizations will be involved, and how the officials will work towards ensuring that it's not just about law enforcement but also about ensuring that rehabilitation and empathy and other awareness programs also become part of it, and also to see how we could have rehabilitation centers in different parts of the state, and more importantly have programs even after the rehabilitation, so that we can ensure that those who are addicted to drugs can come out of it successfully with a lot of attention and a lot of care. So this program also was launched today, and we had a detailed presentation on that, and once again would like to congratulate the police as well as the social welfare. Yes, there was a time when Meghalaya was more of a transit state, and the drugs used to go to different parts of the country, and of course the challenges were different then. But now we have, according to the national survey that has been conducted in 2019-2020, that roughly 3 lakh individuals are into drugs, and about 40,000 plus are dependent on drugs, and hence the numbers are very high, and that's the reason why this DREAM project has been put in. This, as I said, includes rehabilitation centers to be set up in different districts.